Hello, this is Calvin. Today, I just want to bring into fore some of the updates that we've done to this particular system, CBC or CBE exams analysis system. So, first of all, we've made this system multi-login. So that means each and every teacher can log in, and when they log in, they're directed to their own dashboard where personalized content is displayed. Then we've also added settings here. Under settings here, we've added the grading system where you are able to update those levels. Okay. Then we also added filters. When you are adding teacher, you are able to filter and check. You can search. Okay. So let me start by the filters. So you can see when we are adding a teacher, you are able to come here and just put the teacher's name like Tom. Then when you put Tom, you will see that Tom is now the one listed. All right. If so, whichever number or the letter or the word you are typing, it will filter according to that. Right. If you want to type Harold, then you can see Harold is already displayed. When you are backspacing like that, all data is displayed back. Right. You can search Bernard. Okay, Bernard, you can see Bernard is displayed. So this is a search tool which you have added, which is very important. When you look at, for example, streams, you can also view the streams you've added and then search. You can search grade 8A, grade 8, A or B. So if you put A only, A will remain. If you put B, B will be seen. You can also search by class. Okay, you can see. So very nice, very nice. You can as well search the learner, right? So you can come and look at this, then they view the list. Then here you can search by admission number if you like, 95, for example, 42. You can see. You can search by name. Okay, David, all right. So you can search by a stream from 3R, you can see. Okay, you can search even by house, like you can say Moi, and then everything is displayed now belonging to Moi, all right. So that is very nice. So that tool or that feature is very okay with this particular system. You can also view the subject allocation and then search. You can search, for example, English, then all English will be displayed. Okay, you can search by grade 8. Okay, all allocations to grade 8 will be displayed. You can search by teacher so that all allocation to that teacher will be displayed. Okay, so this is very nice. All right. So that's one of the features we've added. We've also added the settings on grading system. You remember the grading systems are now 8 levels in the CBC, all right, or CBE. So we are going to update. So 0 up to 10, 11 up to 20, maybe 21 up to 30, all right, maybe 31 up to 40. So you just change like that, maybe 41 up to 50, maybe 51 up to 60, maybe 61 up to 70, according to a school, right? Maybe 71 up to 100. So then you update, you save that, okay? So that is already saved in the system, right? So that is another very important feature. So we are also looking into multi-login. So let me log out, then we see how multi-login works. So this is the admin login window. You can always log in as a teacher. Okay, so let me log in as a teacher. So I want to log in as Tom. So I'm putting my username and then my password. The password and username is given by the super admin or the admin. So you are able to log in. So you can see this is a dashboard. The dashboard here is only displaying personalized information or personalized content based on this particular teacher. So you can see welcome teacher Tom A. So teacher Tom is a class teacher, right? So these are the classes. Some of the classes we have just located this teacher just to demonstrate. So you're able to see these are the classes. So this teacher is able to even enter marks. He can update the profile, right? He can there is calendar here, and there is a display of the grade levels at two. Total streams is having three streams. It's having total allocations. You can see there are six. So on max entry, you can simply click on the row. Then you can see already everything is populated. You just select the subject, then enter the scores. So this out of 100, but this one is editable. You can put out of 50. Okay, so you can enter max. So 50, and you can see the grading system that we have put there is the one which is now being used, as you can see. Okay, so that means our system has already picked the grading system we have just done. So that is great. Then you save. Okay, so you can see this teacher can enter marks depending on the subject that is having here. So you can even enter English. Then you can see no, this is let me click this one here. Okay, so you are able to select the subject, then continue and enter the scores, and so on and so forth. So CRE, then you select the criteria. So okay, you have CRE is already here. CRE is already here. So you can enter and then save. So this teacher can do a lot. So let me log out and log in as another teacher. So I want to log in as Pamela. So log in as Pamela 1, then Pamela 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're able to see that now we are in a dashboard for Pamela. So welcome teacher Pamela L. So these are the allocations and these are the summaries. There is this one is a class teacher also for those classes. For these are just for demo. All right. So this teacher, you can click on this particular one, then you just enter the scores. Okay, you can as well upload the scores if you have the template and the marks already put on the template. You can easily upload the scores. Okay, so you can see this is dynamic, very dynamic. So then this teacher can also update the profile. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so we are able to, so that is very great feature. So you are able to log in as a teacher and then directed to your own dashboard. So if you are 200 teachers, then you will be having all those teachers logging in into their private dashboards, and all their personalized content will be displayed, right? So those are great changes, right? So let me exit. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that is Calvin's.